In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly login email. Before we jump in, make sure you can sign into your Calendly account and that you have access to the inbox of the new email address you want to use. You'll need that access to confirm the change at the end. If you're using a company-managed account or single sign-on, some options may look a little different and certain settings might be restricted by your organization. Start by logging into your Calendly account as you normally do. Once you're on your homepage, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the account menu. Click the drop-down and choose Account Settings. If you don't see the drop-down, try expanding your browser window or switching to a desktop browser for the clearest view. Inside Account Settings, find the section labeled Login Preferences. This is where Calendly keeps the information related to how you sign in. Go ahead and click Login Preferences to open it. Next, look for the option that says Change Email. Selecting this will open a prompt asking for two things: your current password and the new email address you'd like to use. Enter your password carefully to confirm it's really you making the change. Then type in your new email address exactly as it appears, with no extra spaces. It's a good idea to double-check spelling here to avoid missing the confirmation later. When everything looks correct, click Save. Calendly will immediately send a confirmation message to the new email address you entered. Keep this browser tab open, then head over to your new inbox. If the message doesn't show up within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder and consider searching for Calendly to find it quickly. Open the email and click the confirmation link inside. That link finalizes the change and securely updates your login. Once you've confirmed, return to Calendly and sign out and back in if needed. You should now be able to use your new email to access your account. Any notifications or scheduling updates tied to your login email will follow this change, so everything stays consistent. If you run into issues, ensure you entered the correct password, verify that you can receive emails at the new address, and try resending the confirmation if available. And if your organization manages your login, you may need to follow their guidelines. That's it, your Calendly login email is updated and ready to go.